Using cucumber peels on window frames is a simple trick that can bring surprising benefits. When peeling cucumbers, most people throw the skins away, not realizing they have practical uses. Cucumber peels contain natural oils and aromatic compounds that gently freshen the air and help neutralize unpleasant odors. But that's not all. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly why it's worth trying. Fresh peels, preferably cut into strips, should be placed in the corners of window frames or used to gently wipe the surface. Repeat every 2 to 3 days to maintain the effect. You can also make a natural spray. Pour about 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Vinegar has cleansing properties. Add some cucumber peels and a few allspice berries. Allspice has a strong, spicy aroma that not only freshens the air, but is also extremely unpleasant for certain uninvited guests. Leave the mixture for a few hours so the ingredients blend well, then spray the frames and window crevices. These methods effectively repel cockroaches, making it harder for them to enter your home. They make cockroaches steer clear of your house altogether. The strong scent of the mixture repels and confuses them. When used regularly, it not only prevents their appearance but also keeps your surroundings clean and pest-free.